Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. So you bought your very first mask, you want to make sure that it fits. There are a few couple ways just to make sure that it fits. First thing is that when you very first try it on, you want to ignore the strap completely. So we're going to put that over the front of the mask because what we're really interested in is the seal all the way around your face. And if this seals around your face, that means that air is going to stay inside and water is going to stay outside. So the way we test this is you're going to hold it up to your face, covering your eyes and your nose, and then you're going to inhale through your nose just a little bit, just a little sniff. And if it sticks, it means it fits. If it falls off, it means it doesn't fit. So holding it up, inhale, and it should stick. But there is one way that we need to test. Okay, so now that we know that it fits your face, we're going to adjust the strap so that it fits, and then we can attach our snorkel to find out whether it fits properly. So putting it on, you're going to put the back of the strap on the back of your head fairly up high. It doesn't need to go low down, it should be quite high on the back of your head, and then you're going to put the mask over your face. So put the strap over and then pull the mask down onto your face. So right now it's quite loose on my face, so because it has one-way ratchet straps, just pull on each side of the mask. That's going to adjust that strap. Now you can do it too tight. If you pull it too tight, it will distort that skirt and means that it will leak. Another thing that you need to do is make sure that you get all of your hair out from underneath that skirt. So pulling that all out of the way and then adjusting those straps just so that it's comfortable, because the water is going to be holding it against your face as well. Okay, so now the straps are adjusted, we think the mask fits, let's add a snorkel and definitely make sure it fits. Okay, so now for the final test. This is really going to make sure whether your mask fits when you're snorkeling and when you're scuba diving. So the real test is having the mouthpiece of your snorkel in your mouth as you inhale and do that sniff test. Because of having your mouth slightly open, that's going to adjust the shape of your top lip, so we're really going to make sure that it fits. So again, we're not going to bother with the mask strap itself. You're going to make sure all the hair is brushed out away from your face, so no hair is going to be sealing against that. You're going to hold it up to your face, put the snorkel mouthpiece in position, inhale through your nose, and your mask should stick to your face if it fits. So put it on, mouthpiece in, and it fits. So now you're definitely sure that your mask will fit, and that will keep all the water out and all the air inside your mask. Okay, so that's how you definitely make sure that your mask fits you properly. All of these masks and snorkels are available at our website simplyscuba.com. Thanks for watching and safe diving.